A little while ago, a friend of mine sent me a recipe for an alcoholic drink called a vampire's kiss. No, vampire's bite. And it's meant to be drunk as a shot. It's 3 ingredients. There's black raspberry liqueur, cranberry juice, I think, and red raspberry vodka. Now, I don't like alcohol, not really, so I've decided to make it non-alcoholic. However, let me see if I can make the camera work this time too. To record the preparations. Here's the glass. It calls for half an ounce each. Now, what I did was I got, thank you to the lady who answered my request for black raspberries. I was able to find straight cranberry juice, but I was not able, straight meaning nothing but cranberry juice. However, I was not able to find raspberry or black raspberry juice. So, I asked around where I could find it, and she said she had some black raspberries she'd grown, and she came by and gave me a bag. They were frozen, and that was perfect, because what I'd intended to do was what I am doing. I put them in the freezer, and then thawed them, and you know how berries get, well, all fruit, really, gets mushy after it's been thawed? Well, I figured, why not use that as sort of a cheap way of juicing the berries? So, hope the camera's getting this properly. Yep, there goes the juice. That looks like about half an ounce of black raspberry juice. I also got some red raspberries. These don't seem quite as juicy, but I froze them likewise and thawed them today, and let's see if we get half an ounce. I see a little bit more in there. Really milk it out there. Oh, here comes some more. Squeeze it like a living heart. The telltale heart of the raspberry. I think that's what we're getting. Nope, a little bit more. Get every drop of the good red stuff. Done with that. And easiest of all, the cranberry juice. A little bit more. I like tart. I like cranberry juice. Now, to taste. Smells really sweet. I can mostly smell the raspberries, which makes sense because color aside, 2 of these are raspberries. And in the taste, oh yeah, I definitely get the zing of real straight cranberry juice. And I like zing. A zingy bite. Mwah. Oh, got a little bit of pulp too. Yum. So there it is. A non-alcoholic version of the drink Vampire's Bite. Thank you.